We have a problem. uz is equal to 2z square plus 5z plus 14 upon z minus 1 to the whole power 4. We have to calculate the value of u2 and u3. So it is a very simple problem, but we need to go step by step. So first define u2 and u3. If we expand the uz, what is the value of uz? Expansion of uz is nothing but the u0 plus u1 z to the minus 1 plus u2 z to the minus 2 plus u3 z to the minus 3 and so on. Okay. This is the expansion of uz, or we can say that it is a z transform. Here the value of n ranges from 0 to infinite. So just put the value of uz twice of z square plus 5z plus 14 upon z minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to u0 plus u1 z to the minus 1 plus u2 z to the minus 2 and so on. Just put limit z tends to infinity, then numerator power 2, denominator power 4, it will be 0, and all this u1, u2, u3 will become 0 because numerator power 0, denominator power 1, so it will be u0 will be 0. So just put the value in u0 in the main equation, so we can say this term will be 0. Twice of z square plus 5z plus 14 upon z minus 1 to the whole power 4 is equal to u1 z minus 1 plus u2 z minus 2 plus u3 z minus 3 and so on. So just multiplied by z in both sides, so it will be z 2 of z square plus 5z plus 14 divided by z minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to u1 plus u2 z minus 1 plus u3 z minus 2 and so on. So limit, again limit z tends to infinity in both sides. So here in the left hand side power is 3, denominator power is 4, it will be 0, and here all this u2, u3 and u4 term will be 0. It means u1 is equal, sorry, it will be u2, fine, it is u1 is equal to 0. Clear? u1 0, u0 0. Now calculate to u2. Simple, put the value of u0 the twice of z square plus 5z plus 14 upon z minus 1 to the whole power 4 is equal to u0 u1 0. Series will start from u2 z to the power minus 2 plus u3 z to the minus 3 plus u4 z to the minus 4 and so on, plus multiplied by this term z to the minus 2 or z square से multiply करेंगे, it will be independent of z square bracket twice of z square plus 5z plus 14 z minus 1 to the whole power 4 is u2 plus u3 z to the minus 1 plus u4 z to the minus 2 and so on. Now again put limit z tends to infinity. Fine. Here power is 4, here power is 4, here power is 4, here power is 4. It means we can say the coefficient ratio of the coefficient will be the answer. Here the coefficient, highest coefficient will 4 and the highest coefficient is 2. In the numerator, highest coefficient will be 1, and this is all 0, u2. It implies u2 is equal to 2. So just put the value of u2 in the main equation. Z square, we just multiplied inside this z square, so it will be twice of z to the power 4 plus 5 times of z cube minus plus 14 z square upon z minus 1 to the power 4, and this is minus u2, and the value is 2. So we just write 2 here. It will become series u3 z to the power minus 1 plus u4 z to the power minus 2, and so on. Twice of z to the power 4 plus 5 z cube plus 14 z square minus twice z minus 1 to the whole power 4 divided by z minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to u3 z minus 1 plus u4 z minus 2 plus and so on. So clearly it is visible twice z to the power 4 and z to the power 4, it will be cancelled. So multiplied by z both side twice z to the power 4 plus 5 times z cube plus 14 z square minus twice z minus 1. For simplicity we can write a cube minus e cube, a cube minus 1 minus z square plus z, a cube minus b cube three. Clear? It is like this, divided by z minus 1 to the whole power 4. Okay, and it here it is u3, and just put limit z tends to infinite, so remaining term will become 0, and we just need to put z tends to infinite, limit z tends to infinite. So clearly this term will be 0 because 2z to the power 4 and z cube multiplied by z minus multiplied by minus 2. Okay, we just need to calculate log highest power of z. Z to the power 4 denominator se we will have 1 and numerator में we will have 5 from here, this term, z cube term, one z is here we have, so we just need to find the z cube term. Is z के corresponding, this is minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 6, 6 plus 5, and is 1 के corresponding minus plus 2, so it will be u3. u3 will be 13. So what I did here, I just see u4 term will be cancelled, z2 and z to the power 4 term will be cancelled, and just find the value of the coefficient which z cube coefficient. One z here outside because numerator में z to the power 4 है, denominator में ही z to the power 4 we need to find. So coefficient of z to the power 4, one z is here, so inside we just calculate the coefficient of z to the power 3. So here 5 here and one z is here, so z square से multiply करेंगे, then we have minus 3 here and 1 here and minus 2 outside, so minus 3 and minus 2 plus 6. Similarly for 1 के corresponding z cube and z cube, so and this is minus 1 minus z cube and minus z cube multiplied by minus 2, so plus 2z cube, so plus 2 here, so this will be 13 answer. I hope it is clear.